Last summer, my tent was getting cooked. And my light wasn't the issue, it was my airflow. When it got hot outside, it got hotter in my grow room. So I had to keep the flaps open at the bottom of my tent just to let cooler air come in. But when I was doing that, I was running the risk of dealing with a light leak if I forgot to cut the light off in my grow room. So it was either deal with the heat or risk messing up my light cycle. And this right here ended up being the perfect solution. So in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I added this small upgrade to my grow tent.
Yeah, it's THC rich, got the tips and the tricks. Plant game strong, watch the buds get thick. KC roots, yeah, I'm planting my claim. Organic flow, no pro, just a bro in the game.
This thing blocks light, filters your intake air, and helps your tent breathe way easier. Especially heading into the summertime, that helps keep those temps down. So this is the AC Infinity air duct filter. Basically, this thing is a light-proof duct vent with a built-in filter. And it actually came in a 2-pack, which is nice. But this right here is the key, the built-in filter. Anything coming into your tent is getting cleaned before it even touches your plants. So here's what I used to do. I used to just open the flaps at the bottom of the tent, just like that. Now, that worked great, but it wasn't that controlled. No light blocking, no filter, just raw air coming into your tent. Dust, bugs, whatever's in your lung room, it's all coming in. And y'all already know, when it starts to get hot outside, it gets even hotter inside them tents. So instead of leaving the flaps open, these connect directly to your duct ports. It pulls air in through here, and this little filter blocks light and filters everything before it gets into your tent. And airflow wise, it's just like running your flaps open, but now it's way more controlled and I don't worry about light leaks. You might think installing it might be a whole process, but it's actually really simple. I actually took mine back off just so I could show y'all how to do it. I'm running a little test right now, so I'm just gonna put one on and see how it performs. But placement matters. I'm putting this one on the opposite side of my inline fan, so the air has to travel across the entire tent before it actually gets pulled out. That way, I'm not just pulling air straight in and straight out. It's actually moving air across the whole canopy and then up through the tent. Next, just open up your duct port, make sure you got a little bit of room to work. Take your AC Infinity air filter kit, line it up with the opening, make sure it's sitting flush and facing the right direction. Pull the tie strings tight, lock it into place, and that's it. No tools, no extra setup, keeping it simple. Then just check your airflow, make sure everything's pulling clean and nothing's blocked. Did I mention it helps keep out dog hair? I put this thing on my 5x5 tent. If y'all in a 5x5 tent, you already know, heat goes up fast in there. I'm running this tent just like most home growers do, just house air. I don't have a dedicated AC system for my grow room or nothing like that. So with summer right around the corner, dialing in my intake matters even more right now. Your tent's only gonna be as stable as the air going into it. All right, I got this thing all hooked up, and honestly, my favorite part is now I don't have to worry about light leaks, and I have a real filter on my intake now. So instead of pulling in whatever's floating around my grow room, I'm filtering the air before they ever touch my plants now. All right, so quick recap. Instead of running with my tent flaps open like I used to, now my intake air has a filter and it's also light blocking, and just overall more control. So if y'all deal with high heat or just inconsistent airflows, this is one of those simple tools that can actually make a difference. And going into summertime, this is exactly what I needed. So if y'all want to check out this air filtration kit, I'll put a link down in the description for you. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, y'all, smoke good, do better. Peace.
Organic flow, no pro, just a bro in the game.